Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check iPadOS and update if needed so features match steps. Once done, make a current backup to Icloud or your computer to avoid data loss. This protects photos, messages, and app data. Next, sign out of any alternate Apple ID and settings your name if you plan to switch accounts. You will be prompted to keep or remove data locally. Make sure you have your Apple ID email, password, and two-factor access ready before proceeding. Now perform the account change. Open Settings, tap your name, then Sign Out. Select which local data to keep on the iPad if you need it. After signing out, tap Sign In and enter the new Apple ID and password. When prompted, enter the two-factor authentication codes sent to your trusted device. Once signed in, go to iCloud settings and toggle the services you want to sync like Photos, iCloud Drive, Contacts, and Keychain to ensure everything integrates with the new account. Finish by confirming iCloud sync. Open Settings your name iCloud and check each service shows syncing. Allow time for large uploads like photos to complete. Re-authenticate Apple services, App Store, Apple Music, FaceTime, so purchases and subscriptions match the new ID. If something goes wrong, try a quick network reset or toggle Wi-Fi. And if sign-in errors persist, verify the Apple ID password and account status. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings to resolve common connection or verification failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.